let's convert these values. So we have here kilo. Kilo is represented by kg. And then K is represented by 10 to the 3, and we have these values. So let's try it with microseconds. So we have here microseconds. If I write that, that is 5.12. Micro, you write micro this way, seconds. Now, if you still remember, what is micro, guys? Micro is 10 to the what? 10 to the -6. Very good, seconds. Now, our goal, so if you see a negative sign, that means that value is really small. Again, if you have a negative sign there, that means that value is really small. So if I have 5.12, if I have 5.12, and my goal is to make it small, where should I move? Left or right? The decimal point, where should I move? Left or right? Dito or dito? Left, very good. And I will move 6 times. So I'll move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I move it here. And that's the value. That's how small a micro is. I'll erase this. Yeah. That's how small the micro is. Next one is the mega. Let's have the megameter. So this is 4.8 capital letter M meter. But mega 4.8 is a big number. It's 10 to the what? Mega is 10 to the what? 10 to the 6. Ayan. Now, if I put here 4.8, where should I move the decimal point to make it a big number? To the right. Thank you. So I'll move it 6 times because this is 6. So I'll move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just 1. And that's how big the number is. Yeah. That's how big the number is. Okay, let's have another one. So what if you have a small number? So you have this one. You have the the one that doesn't have, that is not yet written in a scientific notation. So we have this value and then we convert it this way. So normally you just group it by 3, 3, 3, and 3. So you have 9, right? 9 numbers. So you move the decimal point 3, 3, and the 3. So you have the decimal point here. You have 6.1 times 10 to the -9. You use -9 because that means nano, and then you have this answer, nanoseconds. Okay, let's have this one naman. For this one, you have 3 and 3. So what if you decided, Ma'am, I will stop here. You will stop there. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 2. 4, 2 times 10 to the 6. 6 because I have 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. And that is liters. So that is a 1242 mega liter. That's right, right? Right. Do you agree with this one? Okay, but you can also extend if you want to. It depends on the problem, what the problem requires. So we have 1, 2, and then 3. So I will put the decimal point here. So that will be 1.242 times 10 to the 9. So just imagine I'm just doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, 10 to the 9 liters, or that is 1.242 gigaliters. Posted in Canvas. The next one. Now let's go to conversion. How many picometers are there in kilometers? 2 kilometers. But before we start, let's talk about the conversion first. Let's talk about the conversion, guys. Let's talk about picometer. 1 picometer is what? How many? 10 to the blank meters. Negative 12. Next, 1 kilometers. How many meters is that? Do you still remember? 3. Thank you. Thank you, Sophia and Michaela. Thank you, 1. Yes, that's 10 to the 3. Now let's go to conversion. First, you write the 2 kilometers. And I think you know how to do this, 2 kilometers. And then you write the conversion unit. So we have this conversion unit, you put it here. Now you will decide, who will you put in the denominator? Kilometer or meter? Sige nga. Who will you put here in the denominator? Kilometer. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your answers, guys. The kilometer version. Why? Because you want to cancel this. Because you want to cancel that. Okay, next one. Now, but we are asking for a picometer. Picometer, we're asking for a picometer. Now, let's use the second conversion. I will have 1 picometer with a 10 to the negative 12 meters. Why did I put the meters down? Because I want to cancel this. So you will be now left with 2 times 10 to the 3 picometer divided by 10 to the negative 12. Guys, what is this? Sige nga. If you still remember your algebra, if I have x cubed divided by x to the negative 12, that means x 3 minus negative 12. What is our answer, guys? 10x to the what? Ten to the what, guys? 10 to the 15. Very good. Thank you, guys. Take 10 to the 15. So that is 2 times 10 to the 15 picometer. That's the answer. Next one. How many kilometers are there in a 6.8 times 10 to the 6 millimeters? So for this one, what you will do is, actually this is quite easy. I'll just write muna. Okay, first, let's talk about this. Of course, 1 kilometer is 10 to the 3 meters. How about milli? 1 millimeter is what? 10 to the what? Sige nga. Negative 3. Okay, thank you so much. So let's have this value. Let's put it here. I have 6.8 times 10 to the 8 millimeter. Now I want to take out the millimeter, so I will use this conversion units. Okay, wait lang, guys. So I will have conversion units. Mm, 1 millimeter and 10 to the negative 3 meters. So I can cancel this out. But I'm asking for a kilometer. Now we will use this units. 1 kilometer divided by 10 to the 3 meters so that I can cancel this. Now I want you to observe. This will be actually, this is just 6. This will be actually 6.8 times 10 to the 6 times 10 to the negative 3 divided by 10 to the 3 kilometers. Now, guys, what is the answer if you multiply this? Sige nga. What's the answer? 10 to the what? 6 and negative 3. If you have x to the 6 multiplied to x to the negative 3, what is the answer? X to the 3. Very good. Divided by x 10 to the 3. Cancel, cancel. That's why the answer here is just simply this one. 6.8 now.